Hi, I'm Pete from Pinhole Quilting, and I'd like to introduce you to our showroom here in Worcestershire. The first thing that you see when you come through the door is this great array of colourful glide threads, which is always available. But I'd like to introduce you to Liz, who's going to give you a brief look around at the showroom and training centre.
Hi, welcome to the Pinhole Quilting showroom. Just an hour south of Birmingham and 10 minutes off the M5. This is our wonderful facility where we show people the fabulous range of Handi Quilter machines. We teach people how to use them, and we give you access to all these amazing accessories and threads that are going to make the most of your long arm experience. So when you come to the showroom, you see not only those lovely threads, but also we've got some fantastic accessories. So the long arm rulers that we've got just here are going to help you create space and texture on your quilts, and they're 1/4 inch thick specifically for long arm quilting machines. So when people come to the workshops here, we can show people the different range of rulers and teach you how to use them. And that's one of the really important things, is it's not just about purchasing a long arm machine. When you buy one of these machines, you get a foundation workshop. Subject to us being open later in the year, we'll be able to do your hands-on training here. One machine per person. But one of the benefits of coming to the showroom, and you can do that by appointment, is to see the wonderful array that we've got of accessories. So that's things like our different feet that we can use, the bobbins, we've got the Grace Beckett needles that we use with the long arm, and the pre-wound bobbins. We've got Dream Big panels, a lovely selection of these, and these are absolutely gorgeous when you've got a long arm quilter. In conjunction with the threads that we offer, it's a wonderful experience to be able to do some whole cloth quilting. But let's talk about the long arm machines that we've got here in our showroom. So between 12 and 14 machines are available at any particular point in time. And with these machines, we can offer one machine per person. So the whole social distancing is possible. And that means that we can really make the most of your investment. So whether it be a stand-up machine, what we call a movable machine, like the Amara or the Forte, the Simply, we can also add computerized options. Plus we've got the stationary machines. The Capri is the newest in the Handi Quilter range. So whatever your requirements on long arm quilting, talk to us. Come and have a demonstration. We'd love to see you at our Pershore showroom. Just give us a call or send us an email and we'll fix it up, and we look forward to seeing you. In the meantime, if you'd like to see some of our videos, have a look at YouTube. We're doing more videos online so you can get a feel for what the long arms can offer. Hope to see you soon.